Hi there, how are you? Today we are going to be making a beetle, so let's get started. We are going to start out with a soft rectangle. Attached to the top of that rectangle, we are going to make a semicircle. And then on the lower part of the rectangle, we are going to create a shape that looks like this. Curved line to a point. Curved line to a point. You might need to practice this one. We are going to come back up to the top and give him some beady eyes and some pinchers. Some pinchers. Now for his feet and his legs, straight lines out and up. Out, up, and over with a tiny little line for his foot. Out, down, and over. Down, down, and over. So this side needs to match this side. So we're going to go about the same distance. Up and up. Up, up, and over. Out, down, and over. Down, down, and over. Pretty cool, huh? Now inside this part of his body, we are going to put some shapes that look like this. Straight lines that are closed up. And then to give it a little bit more detail, let's fill in some stripes with our marker. 3 or 4 stripes, however many you like to put in there. However many will fit.